Hello guys, I thought I would come on this morning and show you how I plant my rosemary, and then we're gonna, in this pot, next we'll plant some turnips. Okay, you see this? This is my soil mixture. It is sand and soil. That's what I use for my rosemary. Let me get my tool and I mix it up. All the way to the bottom. I put soil, then I put some sand, soil, and then sand. And then I break it up to make sure that I don't have clumps of either. Now that's my rosemary plant. That's my shears. And this, you see that? That's my bubbles. When I finish planting, I'll sit and rest and blow bubbles. It's gorgeous here on the farm today. Hot, hot, hot. But I've got to get it done. It's been triple digits. And today they say it's only gonna get up to 94. So I thought, okay, time to plant some rosemary. Now I'm replenishing my rosemary from that I lost when we were in Chicago for my husband's kidney transplant. I hope you can see it. I'm trying to do this with one hand without my tripod. Don't ask me why I didn't bring it out. But he's doing great, guys. He really is. It's slow, but he's okay. Last night he went out with his brother down to his brother's house and shot a little pool again, so he's coming along. There you go. That's all it is. Sand, soil, and a beautiful rosemary, healthy rosemary plant in this pot. Let me back up so you can see it. I hope you can see it. Already it's so hot I'm just perspiring. But there it is. Now let me see if I can touch this with one hand. Hi guys, there I am. See? Got on my work clothes, my trusted bonnet to keep the sun out, and my shades. It's hot, but that's my rosemary. Now, rosemary doesn't like a lot of water, so I'm gonna sit it down here on the porch, and I'll put a little water a little later. Now, let's move this down and my bubbles down to get this planter. See this one? I'm gonna plant turnips. I thought you might as well go on this journey with me and plant turnips. Have I ever done this down here before? No, I have not. Do I know exactly what I'm doing? No, I do not. Am I going to enjoy every bit of this? Yes, I am. Now look at there. Some of my tools fell and went outside. Let me show you. Let me go down and show you what I need. Now, I'm thinking this is what I need. Whew. Guys, it's hot. Overlook the weeds. Now that rosemary is doing beautifully. This one doesn't look so good. I don't know why. Weeds, weeds, and more weeds. We might as well pull this while we're here. This is what I need. This is a sheet, let me go back, of paper towels. Now let me show you what I'm going to do with this. And if you know whether or not I'm doing this correctly, let me know. And here's a piece on my mat at the door. Okay, let's go back. You see the holes in the bottom? I'm going to lay the paper towel, it's 4, over the holes. I just lay it down. Again, do I know that that's correct? No, I do not. And I'm just going to start filling it with soil. Now I have a big bag of soil, which is why, there it is. Whew. Let me see if I can sit the phone right there on the edge of the plant. There we go. Which is why I'm not picking up the bag. I can't. The old bird just cannot. What's the weather like in your area? At home in D.C., my sister said it's a little warm. I don't know. Now this old city girl is learning how to do this. Okay. Now, I have soil, not quite half full. Now I'm going to get a little of this sand, or a mug full. And you say, why am I adding sand? Well, just a drop, because my husband's cousin that lives here has sand. Nothing but sand. I'm trying to show you the yard. Well, you can't see the sand for the weeds. That's okay. So I changed my mind. Thought I would add a mug of sand. Okay. Now, I'm going to mix this. Just a little. Now, this is what the instructions said. The instructions said, sprinkle the sand. Sprinkle the seeds over the sand and then cover with 1 inch of soil. Now this is my seeds. Let me see, I need 2 hands, guys. Okay, let me take this glove off. All right. Now these are my seeds. Let me show you the seeds. They are so tiny. Whew. See? Turnip seeds. So, I'm going to take them, and I'm just sprinkling. How many? I have no idea. How far apart? I have no idea. I'm just sprinkling. Whew. I had 5,000. So I guess that's enough to cover a lot of acreage. Okay. I think that's enough. What you think? We don't know. Now, I'm going to get my trusty mug. Get some more soil. Oh, boy. And I'm just going to sprinkle it on just like that. I'm not going to press it down. Now, what do you have on your schedule today? This is what the old bird has to do. There we go. I think I've covered all of them. Okay. And I'm just going to tap it around just to make it, you know, even. Like that. Oh, guys, my seeds blew off, but there it is. I'm finished. That's my turnip greens, I call them. Here they just say turnips. So that's that planter. And this is the planter with some beautiful rosemary. Now come on, beside my husband's van, and let's see. Can you see him? Yes, you can. There they go. Huh. Well, I tried. There it is. There's my bubbles. That's the last. Here I am. Thank you so much for joining me as I plant some beautiful rosemary that I'm replenishing and some turnips. Now, you've got to follow along to see how they grow. Have a blessed day, guys. Life is short, so force time to smile. Have a good one.